as of December 30th, 2023. I just got my streaming permissions or whatever you guys want to call it back after what, 6 years? Hold on, let me actually check. So my last ever live stream was December 3rd, 2018. Simple calculations tells us that I haven't streamed in 5 years, and I didn't really care. I haven't streamed ever since that first live stream I did on YouTube. I didn't really care about anything. I just forgot about it. It was just recently where I tried to stream using OBS, and I was just denied access. I couldn't stream even on the video GeForce experience. I couldn't stream. I didn't really care. I was just trying to do like live stream before I hit 500 subs, like trying to get there, but honestly, it didn't really work. So I was like, bro, I really want to stream. All right, YouTube, what's going on, bro? Can I please stream? You know what I'm saying? So I was watching videos, and these videos were useful, but it didn't like go in depth in how to get streaming permissions back. So that's what this video is for. I know I don't make videos like this. If you watch my YouTube channel and stuff, my content is more like gaming. I do a lot of gaming content. If you guys are interested in that, subscribe. We've got a lot to go. You already know. So basically, I watched a video on this guy basically going Twitter or X nowadays, basically contacting YouTube or the YouTube team, and they basically like did everything for them. And I was like, nah, this is probably fake. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's not it, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did to get my streaming permissions back. It wasn't easy, I want to say, but I got it back in less than 48 hours. If you do this immediately as you are watching the video, you could get it back in 48 hours without wasting time. Like it wouldn't take long as you're consistent and you do it fast. You know what I mean? I'm gonna just show you everything that I did to get it back, and if you follow these steps or instructions, you can get it back too. Now, two ways to test or see if your YouTube live stream subscriptions are disabled is first you could do it on your computer. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. So if you go to Google and you go to YouTube and you click on your profile right here, go to YouTube Studios. Then if you go to create right here and press go live, there should pop up a message like you can't stream or whatever like that, or streaming is disabled because you broke some community guidelines or something like that. If you see this or anything like that, basically means that you can't stream because you did something wrong, or YouTube thinks you did something wrong. Meanwhile, you probably didn't do anything wrong, or there is probably something you did do wrong that is preventing you from streaming. And you guys will see later on in the video what I mean by that. But this is the first way. The second way is actually on Android or iOS. If you use a phone, if you go to YouTube and then press on this plus, you should see live or go live or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm not on the phone right now. I'm just telling you guys what I remember. And then if you press live, it should tell you that you're not available to stream or something like that. Those are the two ways you can identify whether you can stream on YouTube or not. If you see these prompts or commands or messages or whatever you guys want to call it, follow these steps and you can get your streaming position or your streaming or you can get your streaming permission, or what even do you call it? You can stream again, okay? So the first step you guys want to do is actually you want to go to X. All right, so you want to go to Twitter. Okay, so then what I did to stream again was let me just go back to replies and stuff like that. What I first did, which was like, honestly, I don't really know how to use X like that. I just have it for conversations or something, or I don't even know. So what I did was I went to YouTube, the YouTube team. Well, I was on the homepage and someone did something like this, and I went over here. I pressed replied, and I put my message out on someone's reply that on someone's post that YouTube team or Team YouTube replied to. Don't do this, okay? I learned my lesson immediately. This probably took me another like 12 hours before I realized that I had to do something else. So don't do this, or else it's gonna take longer for you. What you should do is like go here and create a post. If you don't do this and you just go to YouTube team and do whatever, it's just not gonna work. I suggest you follow them first. What I did, because I don't know. I guess it's better or something. If you just go to post and you like you can start talking or saying what your problem is. Okay, here it is, all right? Starting from December 28th, 2023, I said, "Hi, YouTube." I used YouTube specifically because I felt like if I did YouTube Team, it would be much harder for me to get access to them or talk to them. So I had to go directly to YouTube. If I were you, probably do YouTube Team. And if it doesn't work, because I did YouTube Team the first time, they didn't reply. They didn't respond. So I did YouTube the second time. I've been unable to live stream on my channel, and then I put a link of my channel, but for some reason it didn't take them there, which I understand because it has dot dot dot. I don't know why that happened, but yeah, I basically said on December 3rd, 2018, I have not been able to live stream. I had no strikes or messages received on why, and then I asked them if they could please check up on my YouTube channel and guide me onto holy crap, I'm sorry, and guide me onto how I can regain access to live streaming. All right, and to be like uh chill, what is that word, bro? I don't know what it is, but I basically said thanks for your help and time, and then that's it. It doesn't give me a specific time on when I posted this. I'm not 100% sure, but then YouTube commented and said, "Here's to help." The URL I put obviously wasn't right or something, so they wanted to confirm that this URL was me, and so they said this. Literally like an hour later is when I saw this, and I was like, "Holy crap! Wait, yeah, there are timestamps, but I can't see my timestamps for some reason." So this is 4 p.m. I don't know if yeah, this is 4 p.m. They asked if I should confirm this. Yeah, I confirmed it. I said this is my channel, and then they said thanks for getting back to us. Your live streaming must maybe disabled due to a child's safety. As a creator, you need to be 13 plus to live stream or have a parent. Blah blah blah. Basically, what they were saying was you can't live stream if you're under the age of 13, and I think of recording that video, I was under the age of 13. And even if I wasn't, I did sound under the age of 13. If you didn't even go back to the video and play, I'll probably be under the age. You'll probably hear that my voice was under the age of 13. So I guess that would make sense. And that's what all these other people say. They had a problem with live streaming because they had a live stream which was they were under the age of 13 and they couldn't stream because of that. So I then commented back and I told them, well, at the lifetime of live streaming, my first live stream ever, blah, 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 this was a link to. I did tell them that I believe I was under the age of 18, but now I'm above the age and I still can't live stream. Is there anything that I can do? Is there anything else that is preventing me from doing so? Thanks for your time again. Telling them that, I'm not 13 or I'm not a little kid. I want to live stream again. Tell me what I can do to get it back. And then, they said, appreciate the info. And then they sent me a DM. Now, watching these other YouTubers do it, they never sent a DM to them, but they sent a DM to me. I don't know why. Okay. I feel like they should have this is a long step. I'll explain why during the email this was longer. Why did you have to send me a DM? I don't get it. Just go to my YouTube channel and fix it. You feel me? I don't know. Alright, so the DMs come, alright? This is the DM. So they tell me to best solve the issue by sending them an email to verify that my YouTube channel is my YouTube channel. YouTube team, I love you and all for giving me my permissions back, whatever. Why would a random person want to fix a random person's live stream for that random person to live stream again? Anyways, I was like, okay, fine. This I don't know how long this took. I can't really see timestamps other than this. This basically takes you to your email place where it tells you to log in. After that, it'll tell you to tell the person that sent you the link or the website to tell them that you verified. I told them that I verified. I said I finished it, and it said I should update you when I'm done. And then that was 10. So I don't know, like 10, 20 minutes later. And then she said my case has been created, and they were forwarding it to YouTube. And they told me that they will update me on my email in 1 to 2 business days, and that I should be patient in the meantime. I was like, okay, bet. Okay, bro, not even kidding with you. It didn't even take that long. All right, this is yesterday. Okay, so a day ago, this was yesterday, December 29th. This was yesterday. Basically, this is what they said. They said, "Hi there. Hope you're doing well. We understand your concern about live streaming being disabled." And basically, they're telling me blah blah blah. And they forwarded my what's it called, my concern or my case to YouTube. And further, they'll basically update me when they're done. I'm like, bro, why didn't you just what I was saying before? Why didn't you just take my concern from Twitter or X and just tell YouTube from there? Because all these other live streamers, all these other YouTubers with the same problem, you did the same exact thing with theirs. But mine, you're taking me to the email and then forwarding it to YouTube. Like, come on, bro. Why? Just do it on X. That's what all the other people did. Why? How come I'm different, bro? I don't want an email for me, Just do it. But, I'm grateful. I don't really care. I'm just saying, why? So they said if I had any free questions, I could ask. And I said, thanks for the help. Literally an hour later, basically, not an hour later, about like 30 minutes or something. Then they said you don't have to respond back. They are reviewing it and whatever. So yeah. Then today in the morning, they shot me a message. I woke up. I was like, damn. Hi there. Hope all is well. I got an update from our international team about your concern with your live streaming being disabled. Great news. We reviewed one of your videos on your channel, and found that it does not violate our live stream policies or terms of services. Did you hear that? When I saw this part, I was like, yep, yep, yep. We reinstalled your YouTube ability, and that's it. I didn't have to read anything else. I was done. Okay. I was making sure I was good. I just skimmed and scammed, and then it said right here. I saw like 24 to 48 hours. I was like, can only allow within 24 to 28 hours for live stream to update on your system. I was like, what? Hold up. So I opened up my phone, go to the live stream place that I told you how to go to, and boom, I was able to live stream. I was happy, and I said, that's great, thanks very much. But that's basically how I got live stream back. It's not really hard to get it back. I just feel like YouTube, like, why in the first place disable? I guess it makes sense, but I got it back. I'm gonna be live streaming very soon. I don't know how soon, but I'm not gonna go crazy on live stream. I'm not gonna do it like daily or anything like that. I'm gonna do one, trying to, before we hit 500 subs, like a live stream to 500 subscribers. If you guys are new, please subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it a lot. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. Thank you to the YouTube team for giving me live stream back. This is how you do it. This is how I do it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.